We were talking about awareness the other day, and I said awareness is knowing everything's going on around you, for example, right? Awareness. And when we speak of consciousness work, we often confuse that with awareness, you see, but it's consistent. Whenever you work to become more conscious of anything, you tend to become more aware also. Like when you contemplate, you become more aware because you move into present time. And you keep your focus in the present time, what's actually so right now, and that increases your awareness. But now let's consider how this applies to your life and your body in this case, because you live in a body. You don't live in abstraction. You don't live in the absolute. You live in a body. You live having a life. You may or may not know what that is yet, but that's where life takes place. That's why we call it life, right? All right, so now let's take a look. We're just going to start. I'm not going to coach you first much, okay? But we're going to just take a look at how we'll start with one sentence, all right? And we'll start with one sentence and see how your relationship to the sentence, when you become more and more aware and or conscious of what it means and can apply it to your experience, makes a difference in your experience, and it will make a difference in your abilities. Now, the sentence is that we're going to start with is an object in space resting on the ground. An object in space resting on the ground. So there's three elements there, right? It's an object, which is your body. It's an object. So you concentrate on this fact. You put your attention, your awareness on this fact. The object that you're living as, in space, all around, space, resting on the ground. You see? So you've got three dimensions, or space. You've got the object that you are, and you've got the ground. You're resting on the ground. Right? This is all fact, by the way. See? It's not like you have a choice in the matter, not on this planet. Maybe another planet you do, but not on this planet. Okay? So, now what I want you to do is I want you to incorporate that. Just concentrate on that. That's all. Move around, and concentrate on just that. Feeling, object in space, resting on the ground. Object in space, resting on the ground. Okay? Go ahead. See what makes a difference.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.